Did you know that there are scientific theories that suggest time travel might be possible? We're going to tell you all about it. Today, we're going to explore 10 ways to travel through time that have captured the imaginations of scientists and filmmakers alike. I'm going to show you how these 10 ways to travel through time are not only possible, but they might actually work for you. Hey, curious minds, have you ever dreamed of traveling through time? Maybe you want to visit the past to avoid those embarrassing moments, or jump into the future to see how your favorite show ends. We've dreamt about it too. And today, we're going to explore this fascinating concept. But before you start Googling how to build a time machine, let me tell you that science has some really crazy ideas about how we could do this. Don't worry, we're not going to throw complicated math formulas or impossible to understand equations at you. Instead, we're going to take you on a journey where we explore the most mind-blowing and amazing ways that scientific theory suggests we could travel through time. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover concepts that will make you question reality, while we keep the mystery and excitement going every step of the way. Let's dive into this time travel journey and have some fun. We don't want to spoil the surprise, so we won't tell you exactly what to expect. But trust us, some of these theories are so mind-blowing that you might need a time machine just to process them. So, stay tuned, because we're about to embark on a journey that will take you across the boundaries of time and space. Buckle up and get ready for the unexpected. Ready to see what incredible theories we've found? Don't go anywhere, because what's coming up is just what you need to fuel your time travel dreams. See you in the next chapter. Have you ever wondered if there's some sort of tunnel in the universe that lets you jump from one point to another in the blink of an eye? No, we're not talking about a secret entrance in a sci-fi movie, but about real wormholes. Wormholes, also known as Einstein-Rosen bridges, are theoretical solutions to the equations of general relativity. Essentially, these cosmic tunnels could connect two distant regions of space-time. Imagine wanting to travel from one end of the universe to the other, or even through time. Wormholes could be your passport to an interstellar adventure. But before you start planning your intergalactic trip, there are a few things you should know. To keep a wormhole open and functional, you would need a massive amount of negative energy. It's like trying to hold a door open with an invisible force. Also, wormholes could be unstable and collapse in an instant, dragging you with them to an uncertain destination. And as if that wasn't enough, wormholes could be subject to time paradoxes that could drive you crazy. What would happen if you traveled to the past and changed something important? Maybe you accidentally prevent your parents from meeting and poof, you cease to exist. Talk about a problem. The theory of wormholes is as fascinating as it is complicated. In the next chapter, we will explore another exciting theory that could change our understanding of time and space. Join us on this incredible journey through time. Have you ever imagined living a day that for the rest of the world is like a whole year? Sounds like an incredible way to stretch time, right? Get more done, or maybe escape a Monday morning that never seems to end. Well, time dilation offers you just that. Time dilation, a fascinating concept from Einstein's theory of relativity, reveals that time is not an absolute measure. It is not a universal constant, but can be stretched and compressed depending on your speed or the gravity you experience. It's like your watch is playing hide-and-seek with reality. Imagine traveling in a spaceship at speeds close to the speed of light. For you, time would pass slowly, while on Earth things would move forward at full speed. If you embarked on that cosmic journey, upon returning, you might discover that your friends have aged, while you still have your youthful appearance. Not a bad way to skip a few birthdays, right? And the best part is that this phenomenon is not pure science fiction. It has been demonstrated in experiments with atomic clocks on airplanes and satellites, which have recorded slight time differences due to speed and gravity. Although large-scale time dilation is still a long way off, its principle is real and has been proven. So, while we can't yet make galactic getaways to skip Mondays, time dilation remains one of the most intriguing ways time can play with us. Get ready to discover more surprises that await us on this journey through time that we are living. In the next chapter, we will dive into a theory that could completely change the way we explore time. Don't miss it. Join us on this incredible adventure through time. Have you ever wondered if we could use black holes not only to travel through space, but also through time? Welcome to the fascinating world of Kerr rotation, where black holes are not just star eaters, but possible gateways to other eras. Kerr black holes, those that spin on themselves, are like giant turbines of the universe. Because of their rotation, they drag the fabric of space-time around them, creating what physicists call frame dragging. This phenomenon could, theoretically, allow us to access regions of time and space that would otherwise be unreachable. Imagine spinning around a black hole and ending up in the age of the dinosaurs, or in the distant future. But don't start packing your time machine just yet. While the idea of traveling through a Kerr black hole is exciting, it also comes with its own list of caveats and technical complications. The stability of such a journey is still a matter of debate among scientists. Also, being near a black hole might not be the safest place to be, unless you have a special interest in experiencing personal spaghettification. Despite the challenges, the possibility that Kerr black holes could be used for time travel continues to fascinate both scientists and science fiction buffs. If you are passionate about the mystery of black holes and time paradoxes, be sure to watch our video on 10 time travel paradoxes that will drive you crazy. You will find a card with a link at the end of this video. In our next chapter, we will explore another even more intriguing theory that could completely change our perception of time and space. Don't miss it, and continue with us on this incredible journey through time. Have you ever dreamed of a magic door that takes you to another universe? For that door, or in this case a wormhole, to stay open and functional, we would need something truly extraordinary: exotic matter and negative energy. Exotic matter, a concept that seems straight out of a science fiction novel, is a theoretical form of matter with very peculiar properties. Unlike normal matter, which has positive mass, exotic matter would have negative mass. This would allow wormholes to remain open, creating shortcuts in space-time. Imagine having a magic stone that allows you to circumvent the rules of the universe. Negative energy, on the other hand, is even more intriguing. Theorists have proposed that this energy would be needed to maintain balance in a wormhole and prevent it from collapsing under its own gravity. Without it, wormholes would be like sandcastles in the middle of a storm, collapsing in an instant. While exotic matter and negative energy sound fascinating, we have yet to find evidence that they exist in our universe. Scientists are still looking for ways to detect these phenomena and verify if they could really be the key to time travel. In the next chapter, we will reveal another exciting theory that could lead us to explore time in a whole new way. Stay with us and continue this fascinating journey through time. Have you ever felt a tremor in the air, as if time itself were vibrating around you? Well, that might not be that far from the truth with gravitational waves. First discovered in 2015, these waves are literally tremors in the fabric of space-time, created by cosmic events of immense magnitude. Gravitational waves were predicted by Albert Einstein over a century ago, and their discovery is one of the most exciting milestones in modern physics. These waves are produced when massive objects such as neutron stars or black holes collide at incredible speeds, sending ripples through the cosmos. The most exciting part? Some theorists suggest that these waves could, in theory, be manipulated to create shortcuts through time. Imagine this. If we could somehow surf these gravitational waves, we could theoretically reach speeds that would allow us to see the rise and fall of stars, or even older events. It's like having a VIP ticket to the grandest show in the universe, the very history of the cosmos. However, before you start building your cosmic surfboard, it's worth mentioning that manipulating gravitational waves for time travel is, for now, purely theoretical. The technical and energy challenges would be enormous, beyond our current technology. But in a field that is advancing so rapidly, who knows what discoveries might be just around the corner? In the next chapter, we'll explore how theoretical concepts like tachyons and quantum computing could open new doors to our adventures through time. Don't miss it, and continue with us on this exciting journey through time. What if I told you we could send a message to the past? Not through a message in a bottle, but through particles that travel faster than light. Enter the world of tachyons and particle accelerators, where the limits of speed and time are put to the test. Tachyons are hypothetical particles that, according to some physical theories, could move faster than light. Although they have not yet been observed in practice, the mere possibility of their existence has captured the imaginations of physicists and enthusiasts alike. According to theory, if tachyons exist, they could be capable of sending information to the past, challenging our conventional understanding of cause and effect. On the other hand, we have particle accelerators, technological marvels that can accelerate subatomic particles to speeds close to the speed of light. These machines not only help us better understand the fundamental particles of the universe, but could also be key in experimenting with tachyons if we ever confirm their existence. Imagine the implications. We could verify historical events, solve ancient mysteries, or even, in theory, warn ourselves about disasters before they happen. Of course, there are a myriad of ethical and practical issues to be resolved, not to mention the technical challenges. But isn't it exciting to think about the possibilities? Get ready, because in the next chapter, we are going to dive into the theories of parallel universes and how they could offer us another method to travel through time. Join us and continue this exciting journey through time and space. Could a rotating cylinder of infinite mass be the key to time travel? Today, we explore one of the most fascinating and extravagant ideas in physics, the Tipler cylinder, proposed by physicist Frank J. Tipler. In theory, a Tipler cylinder is a massive, infinitely long cylinder that rotates at an angular velocity close to the speed of light. According to Tipler, if this cylinder was somehow built, it could create closed, time-like curves around itself, allowing travel to the past. Imagine simply orbiting this cylinder and being catapulted to another era. Yes, it sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but theoretically it's possible. However, before you get too excited, it's worth mentioning the enormous practical challenges. Building an object of infinite mass and spinning it at extreme speeds poses technological and physical problems that, with our current technology, are insurmountable. Furthermore, the theory itself has been the subject of debate and criticism in the scientific community, with many experts considering it more of a mathematical curiosity than a practical possibility. Despite the doubts, the idea of the Tipler cylinder invites us to dream and explore the limits of physics and engineering. It reminds us that time travel, at least in the minds of theorists, is not completely impossible. In our next chapter, we will open the door to another intriguing concept that could offer another perspective on traveling through time, parallel universes, and how they might interconnect with our own time and space. Don't miss this exciting continuation of our journey through the mysteries of time and space. Does the idea of time travel using concepts as advanced as the Tipler cylinder fascinate you? Leave your comment and subscribe for more fascinating content about the mysteries of the universe. Don't forget to like the video and share it with other curious minds. What if I told you that you could live in a world where you never made your biggest mistakes? Or better yet, where you made all the right decisions? Today, we delve into the intriguing and complex theory of parallel universes. The idea of parallel universes has been a favorite topic in both science fiction and serious scientific debate. According to this theory, our universe could be just one of an infinite number of universes that coexist in a vast multiverse. Each of these universes could have different laws of physics, different histories, and even different versions of ourselves. Could we travel to these parallel universes? Some theorists suggest that singularities like black holes or quantum enigmas could be the gateways to these other dimensions. Imagine crossing into a universe where dinosaurs didn't go extinct, or where dark energy doesn't accelerate the expansion of the cosmos. However, while the idea of jumping between parallel universes fascinates the imagination, the technology and understanding needed to do so are still the subject of pure speculation and scientific debate. But this doesn't stop physicists and mathematicians who continue to explore the possible connections between quantum theory, relativity, and the possibility of multiple universes. If you are intrigued by the idea of multiverses and want to delve deeper, we recommend you watch our video, 7 Types of Multiverses, where we explore different theoretical models that could change our understanding of the cosmos. You will find a card with the link at the end of this video. In the next chapter, we will conclude our series by exploring how quantum manipulation and quantum computing might one day not only unlock the secrets of the universe, but also allow us to manipulate time itself. Be sure not to miss this exciting finale to our exploration of the most mind-blowing theories of time travel. We now explore another fascinating frontier of time travel: quantum manipulation and quantum computing. These advanced fields of science offer perspectives that seem to challenge the very nature of time and space. Quantum physics has opened doors for us to phenomena that challenge our traditional understanding of the universe. One of these phenomena is quantum entanglement, which in theory could allow the instantaneous transmission of information across any distance and possibly through time. On the other hand, quantum computing promises technological revolutions with its ability to perform calculations at speeds inconceivable with current methods. Some scientists postulate that these machines could eventually manipulate variables that would influence timelines, allowing for indirect forms of time travel. Imagine quantum computers so advanced that they could model and modify historical scenarios, creating detailed simulations of how different actions could have altered the present. While this may sound like a science fiction script, the theoretical basis is being actively explored in the academic and scientific world. These concepts, while still speculative and facing enormous barriers both in theoretical understanding and practical implementation, challenge us to consider possibilities that were previously unimaginable. If they existed, they could cause temporal paradoxes, and the very nature of time could be altered. However, the idea is still a hypothesis, and so far, we have not detected evidence that tachyons exist in our universe. Despite this, the simple act of speculating about their existence opens us up to a world of intriguing possibilities about how we might one day manipulate time. It is a reminder that, although our current understanding of the universe is vast, there is still much to discover. In the next chapter, we will explore another exciting theory that will take us even further on this journey through time. Don't miss it, and keep joining us on this fascinating journey. What if I told you that the secret to time travel is hidden in the greatest mysterious force in the universe? No, it's not magic or alien technology, but something much more intriguing: dark energy. Dark energy is a form of energy that is driving the accelerating expansion of the universe. Imagine being able to manipulate this cosmic force to create temporal bubbles that allow us to move forward or backward in time. It sounds like science fiction, but some scientists believe it might be possible. Although dark energy makes up about 68% of the universe, we are still trying to understand how it works. But here's where it gets interesting. If we could control this energy, we could alter the fabric of space-time in unimaginable ways. Imagine having a cosmic remote control. Did you miss the final chapter of your favorite show? No problem. Rewind a couple of hours. Want to see what vacations on Mars will be like? Fast forward a few decades. Sure, this is all speculation for now, but research on dark energy is progressing, and every discovery brings us closer to understanding its capabilities and limitations. Dark energy manipulation is still uncharted territory, but its possibilities invite us to dream big. As scientists delve into this enigma, the doors of time may be closer to opening than we think. And remember, if dark energy can one day be the key to unlocking time, who knows what other secrets of the universe are waiting to be discovered? Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the cosmos. After exploring concepts like wormholes, time dilation, and dark energy, it seems that time travel is not just a Hollywood thing. Throughout this series, we have traveled through theories that defy imagination. We have learned that, although many of these ideas are still in the realm of speculation, each one brings us a little closer to the possibility of making time travel a reality. From the intriguing wormholes that could connect us to any point in space and time, to quantum physics that offers us glimpses of the impossible, each theory invites us to dream and keep an open mind. And let's not forget dark energy, that mysterious force that makes up most of the universe and could be the key to unlocking the secrets of time. Imagine being able to go back to right wrongs or fast forward to see how our favorite shows end. But beyond the scientific concepts, what really matters is our curiosity. Science advances thanks to the questions we ask ourselves today and the research we do tomorrow. So, keep that inquisitive spirit alive. If this series has inspired you and you want to continue exploring the mysteries of the universe with us, be sure to subscribe, give the video a like, and share it with other curious minds. Leave us a comment on which of these ways you would like to explore further, and don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating content. Remember, time travel may be closer than we think, and you could be part of the next big discovery. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, and keep dreaming big.